Welcome to my friends and dear viewers, Microsoft Excel worksheet class number 2. In this tutorial, we are going to teach you home section, how many options. In this home section, we are going to learn every section or every tools and practically some sheets. Okay, I don't talking here, move on. Okay everybody, you can see this is home section and the home section under some tool here. Okay, part by part every tool we are going to learn. So if you have some idea on this Microsoft Word documents, then you will be learn too easy, because Microsoft documents Word some tool is here. That's why I recommend to you, first you learn Microsoft Word. This is actually very easy, and then this is also very easy, but it's learned to you easy. Okay, so first section you see, this is clipboard. It's just a cut, copy, paste you can do from this group. Okay, and the next group is font. It's completely same to our Microsoft Word documents group. Okay, just you can do font style, font increase or decrease, and it's no you, I think. And this is alignment. Okay, whatever you type here or whatever you doing here or including here, you can control this alignment. Okay, and the next is number. Okay, what kind of number you including here, you can generate or you can control from here. Okay, and the next is style. Your worksheets or your work list, you can style from this section. It's actually there is a lot of ready-made style here you can use. Okay, and this is also style. Okay, the format table type style. Okay, after you see this cell group, the cell group is very important. For example, you doing here many line, and suddenly you need a cell or you need a row or you need a column. You can insert this column or row. Okay, and you can delete from here, and you can formatting from here. Okay, and the next group is editing. This is there is very important tools is here. Yeah, I think you got it. This tools is very important for your mathematical problem solving. Okay, it's automatically your problem solve. For example, your sum, your average, your count numbers, your max, your minimum, everything you can do from these tools. Okay, and this is down, up, and left is very easy. You can do from your keyboard, up arrow, down arrow, and left arrow and right arrow. Okay, you can do whatever you want. And this is you can understand this after. So first let me including so first let me type here SL number. Excel sheets, they have advanced settings, and it's actually amazing. That's why I call it so very neat for you and your work. You automatically generate your serial number. You automatically generate your whatever you what kind of word you want. You can automatically generate this Excel sheet. So now I see to you, just watch carefully. Okay, just you type 2 or 3 number, then you will get automatically a serial number. Okay, just you see number 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I select this number, and just I take this edge, and you just drag it down. You can see, just it's actually amazing. Okay, that's why I love Excel sheet. Okay, and the next option including here name, student of name. Okay, so you can see I get a problem. Yes, it's actually problem. This cell is okay, but this cell is not okay, because this cells of some text overlap these cells. So what you do, you can move take this option here. And next I want to including here MCQ, and the another is CQ number, sorry, CQ number, and there is total. Okay, so now I am going to including a student name, for example Raihan, Russell. Next is Sadia, Rumi. Okay, and if you want to copy this name, you can do it. Okay, just you select this option, and so how many time you want to copy this line. Okay, you can do it, just same thing. Okay, but it's not need. Okay, and now I'm going to give this number. Okay, for example 20. So you can see I take this value. Okay, now I'm going to show you first this option. Okay, so first this is the sum. Now I want to total this value. Okay, so first you select this option and just click on this. Okay, you can see the total is done, and the same thing here, done. If you want to average this want to average, then you can do it. Just click on this average. Okay, so this is average, and you can do maximum. You can do here. Just click on this. This is the maximum. Or now I'm going to show you the next is minimum. That you can see this is the minimum. Okay, I think you got it. Now I'm gonna show you some tools. These tools. Okay, so this is bold, italic, underline, and this is border. Okay, if you want to include border, or if you want to unborder, whatever you want, you can do from here. Okay, I think you see previous video. It's not a previous video. I think you see this previous course, which is Microsoft Word. I explain details this option. So now I'm going to this option. So this is colors, the background color. Okay, and this is text color. You can change your text color. Okay, and this is the alignment. You can do alignment. Okay, so here you can see. And next option is you can see the angle or angle clockwise, vertical, and rotate. You can do here. Okay, so I think you got it. Every tools actually, what tools, what does, and what kind of purpose we are use. I think you got it. Must be. And now I explain just styles group. So you can see there are a lot of options here. You can take ready-made or easily. Okay. And if you want to table color, now first select this one. Okay, and you can give a color. Okay, and this is the insert. For example, if you need this under up, you need a cell, then you can insert the cell. Okay, you see the cell is inserted. Or if you want to need any column, then you can insert this option, insert a column. Okay, so you can see the column is inserted from here. And you can do delete also. Okay, delete this cell, and this one also you can delete. Okay, so I'm pretty sure, I think you got it. Let me know into you. This is view button. Sometimes it's important. Just wait. Here each page A4 size. Okay, and this is all spreadsheet. Okay, I think you got it. This tutorial, the home, actually where use every tools. I think you got it. And now we are going to the next tutorial. learn insert. Actually, insert many tools is there, and we will going to create a next video on insert. Actually, you can see the insert is some option here. We are create of another video in insert, then I upload you. So okay, my dear friends, this video is enough for today, and keep practicing yourself what I share with you and what kind of option I knowing to you and I learn to you. Just practice yourself, and I'm pretty sure you do much more better than me. So stay safe on your house. Have a good day.